You can't say that you made burgers from scratch unless you make the burger buns yourself, which is kind of stupid because none of us have the time to make the cheese or raise a cow. But still, you know, homemade burger buns are a lot better than most of the stuff you can get from the supermarket. They really make a burger taste better, and that's good enough reason for us to make them today. We'll start off with 435 grams of all-purpose flour, 8 grams of sea salt, 10 grams of dry yeast, 35 grams of sugar. Give them a gentle mix. With your bread mixer running on low speed, slowly add in 220 milliliters of whole milk. Mix 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk and let them get to room temperature first. Then add them to your dough. Raise the speed to medium, let it run for at least 5 minutes. Slowly add 42 grams of unsalted butter that is also at room temperature. It will make it much easier to infuse in the dough. Let the machine knead the dough for another 10 minutes. The result will be a slightly wet dough, but that's exactly what we're looking for. Generously flour your work surface to make it easier to work with the dough. Gently roll it to form a ball. It's a little bit sticky, so it's not going to be perfect, but that's totally okay. Oil a medium-sized ball, and I would recommend using a deeper ball because you will see. Cover your ball with a damp towel and leave it in a turned off oven with lights on for 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. Also make sure to cover the camera with your fat head, that helps. And that's why I recommended using a deeper ball. It looks bad, but it was totally salvageable. Maybe it had something to do with my big head. Again, flour your work surface. Try to form a dough ball by first stretching and folding the dough to the center. Then flip it around. And then rotate the dough from the edges until you have a nice smooth ball. If you follow the recipe, you'll end up with 760 grams of dough. And now it's your choice whether you want to get 8 buns of 95 grams or 10 buns of 76 grams. Personally, I'm gonna go for the 8 buns, but just so you know, these are gonna be very large. Shape each bun, stretch out a little, and then fold it in. Apply just a little pinch, flip it around, and gently rotate from the edges. Now gently lay your hand on it without applying any pressure. Just gently roll the ball against your work surface for around 30 seconds. Once you are done, place the balls spaced apart on an oven tray, cover it with greased parchment paper, and then cover it with another oven tray to give it some room to rise, and just let them sit at room temperature for around 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're going to prepare an egg wash by mixing a whole egg and a tablespoon of whole milk and setting it aside. buns rise. Brush them gently with the egg wash, and then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Or not. It's up to you. You have creative control. Bake them at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. And again, put your head in there, cover the camera a little, you know. After they cook, let them cool down on a wired rack. And now you have delicious burger buns you made from scratch. Our buns are ready. They cool down. They smell really good. They taste really good. They're very fluffy. Look forward to other burger recipes. I'll definitely be making more burgers with these. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, you know what to do. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.